A very warm welcome to all. Thanks for being a part of Anksatva. Today we are going to talk about fruits. Why fruits are important for us. Fruits has great source of vitamins, minerals. It is very good if you want to have folic acid, zinc or magnesium. It is low in calories and fat. It lowers down the blood pressure. It reduces heart diseases. Do you know that 1 out of 9 people are likely to develop the cancer in their lifetime? So if you want to cure it, please eat fruits because they are very much important for us. Because fruits help us to prevent the cancer, even other chronic diseases also. So it's my humble request to all to please eat fruits because fruits are not only important for us but it helps us to connect with our mother nature. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you so much.